Hello everyone, this is Averia from Indian Trails Library. Welcome to our special crafts for Halloween and Day of the Dead. We hope then you pick up your bags with the supply for the crafts at the library or at the branch, and we're gonna show you what the materials you're gonna have in your bags. In the bag for the Halloween craft, you're gonna find a canvas, Halloween canvas to color. You can color with markers or any paints you had at home, and you're gonna have either craft. You can find a pumpkin, foamy pumpkin to decorate with the stickers, and or a Halloween cat for the doorknob hanger with foamy stickers too. For the Day of the Dead, you're gonna have one or two options for crafts. One is this skull, foamy skull. Then you're gonna have foam stickers to decorate, and this more elaborate garland. Then I'm gonna show you how to put it together in a minute. In your bag, you're gonna find yarn to make your tassels, and I'm gonna show you how to make the tassels and how to put your garland together. To make your tassel, you're gonna need a 4-inch piece of cardboard to wrap around your yarn. After you made all the 3 different color tassels, now we're gonna put our garland together. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoy our programs today, and I hope we can see you in the future programs. Thank you for watching us.